Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the engine air filter for this 2018 Ford Explorer with a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. Now, the engine air filter is located on the driver's side of the engine bay. If you watched other videos already on YouTube, you know that you can just unlatch these two clips, shift the top housing to the left, and you can reach in to grab the air filter. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to take out the top air filter housing. So let's start by removing the latches on the left side. So start by pulling it out to unclip. Then let's remove the connector for the mass airflow sensor. So push down on the locking tab and pull out of the sensor. Then this is supposed to be locked in place on here. You just simply pull it up. It's the holder for the wires. Then move it out of the way. Next, let's loosen the hose clamp for the snorkel. So use a flathead screwdriver to loosen it up. You don't have to take it all the way out, just loosen it up so we can disconnect it from the air filter housing. Then now you can separate it from the top air filter housing. Now shift the top of the air filter housing to the left and simply pull it out. Here's the air filter housing. Make sure you remember the orientation, that the filter paper is on the bottom. Now pull it out. Here's the old engine air filter, and as you can see, it's slightly dirty. And let's compare it to the new engine air filter. Now, before putting in the new engine air filter, put the date today on the engine air filter so you have a reference point on when you last replaced the engine air filter. And you don't have to guess anymore. Now let's put this in. Now let's put in the new engine air filter. So paper at the bottom, screen is on top, and just put it in the housing. Now slide in the top housing. Make sure that the tabs go securely on their slots. Then we can clip back the latches. Now slide in the snorkel. Tighten the snorkel clamp. Grab the wire for the mass airflow sensor and connect it. Then don't forget the wire connector. And we're done. And that is how to replace the engine air filter for this 2018 Ford Explorer. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's RJeff, and thank you for watching.